Yo, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got my hands on the Lycoris or Lycoris. I don't know how this shit being pronounced, but this is the latest model kit from Caesar Plastic Model Kits, and I already got the mandala from this model kit company also, and that's a very good kit, and I already had a review on that mandala. So because of that, because of the experience and the quality of the build from that previous kit, I got my interest on their second release, which is this one, Lycoris. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this kit has to offer them, to offer the collectors. So following Biran, loose kits. So the box art looks like this, and there we go. You can see the Lycoris with the cannon attached to the torso, and it deeply reminds me of the Gundam Virtue from the Gundam 00 series, where the cannon is also on the front of the chest. And there we go. Very nice box art. So on the side of the box here, you can see the action poses of the Lycoris or Lycoris, and there's the action base stand, and the gimmicks here, the slicer. Okay, and there's a sticker for that, and we got the cannon, this big cannon held by the right arm. So you have the choice to do that, but I guess this cannon here is a big and heavy equipment for the right hand. And there we go, the launching blade there, the disc, and the relax mode. Okay. On the other side of the box, you can see the neutral pose, front view, rear view, and some action poses there. And judging by the appearance of this kit, I much like the color scheme of this kit compared with the early release, the mandala. I much like the dark pattern of the colors compared with the Trans Am mode from the previous kit. Okay. So let's open the box here, and you can see the instruction manual. So the instruction manual here is nice print. It's a matted instruction manual. So there we go. You can see the parts list here, and there. It's not that much, and I think this is an easy kit to build because I already built the mandala, and I didn't had a hard time building that because it's an easy kit to build. And what I like with this kit is it has this pilot figure included, so I can say that this is a bit in par with the Bandai or the Gundam kits with pilot figure. I much like that. I much like kits with pilot figure inside. And there we go. So it's not that hard to build. Okay, so very easy kit to build. And there we got the action base and effect parts for that. So let's go with the parts packaging. We got this effect parts, the beam saber effect parts, lightning or electric parts, and the disc blade parts here. Okay, so we got purple parts and white parts there. Okay, and we got this rubber parts for the attachment of the cannon and the torso. There we got purple parts here, And I'm curious why it doesn't have this 3 and 4 there. And still we got the mandala name for the runner. And we got E1 for this visor, or for the eyes. We got gold parts here, which is very nice. I like those gold parts. Okay, black parts there. Okay, black parts for the inner frame. Then black parts again. Yellow parts. Gray parts. So many pieces for this kit. And there we go, black parts for the inner frame again. Black parts. Okay. Then we got action base. No, this water slide decal, sorry. Then this is the action base. So we got this action base, which is very nice. It's not included with the first kit, the mandala, but for this one we got the action base for that. And inner frame parts, action base parts. Okay. Then again, inner frame, so many inner frame parts for the guns. And again, inner frame parts. This is for the armor pieces. And we got these wire for the launch effect of the disc, bladed disc. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So this is the runner H here, and as you can notice, there are no parts for the 3, 4, and 21, 20, and 22. So this is all normal for this runner, because as I checked the manual, there's no parts attached for these numbers. Okay. So the plastic quality, by the way, is also good, and it's a bit Bandai-ish feels, minus the mold marks. Bandai has so many mold marks, but for Chinese company, we cannot see any mold marks there, which is very good. Kudos to Chinese companies. So runner X here, this is for the fuel tanks. We got this purple tanks again for the armor pieces. So this is runner U. Okay, so now this is the Lycoris. So as you can notice, we got to see the mandala runner, and this one is the Lycoris runner. And there we go, we got runner Z here for the Lycoris runner here. And there we got the cannon parts for the runner B1. Okay, and we got the runner A1 here. And for the hands, we got the mandala parts here. So mandala runner, so these are gray parts. Then we got mandala runner here for the inner frame parts, runner B. So they both share the runners, mandala and the Lycoris. Okay, we got mandala parts, gray parts here. And this one, runner F, mandala. It says mandala. And we got here mandala for the yellow parts also. Okay, then we got to see runner C here, inner frame parts, mandala. Runner D, it says here, for the gray parts. Then we got this E1 part for the clear blue part, and it says here this is for the Lycoris. Okay, and we got here runner A is for mandala and Lycoris to be shared. So we got two sets of this, two runner A here. Then we got runner Y for the cannon. I think this one for the cannon, so this is for Lycoris exclusively. And there we go, we got to see Lycoris for runner W. This gray parts. Then the gun is the same with the mandala here. Then we got this blank runner, almost blank, so this runner M. And we got here runner J for the armor pieces, and shared by Lycoris and mandala. And there we go, two runner J's, two sets. And we got to see here runner K, and there we got Mandala runner, and runner L also. It's shared by Lycoris and Mandala. Okay, so maybe you got confused by me by telling the Mandala or Lycoris, because most runner here is being shared by Lycoris and Mandala, and originally it came from Mandala. And few runners for modification, it's for the Lycoris. Okay, so we got here also exclusive for Lycoris this red clear parts for the lightning or the electricity effects, and beam saber effect parts, and also this slice disc parts. And we got this action base stand, which I didn't open yet, for me to, I think I want to sell this because I don't like action based stand. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Lycoris, and see you next time after I finish this kit. So let's get back to work and build this shit right now. Okay, Kimmerman from Kimmerman Studio, goodbye.